Hey guys, I'm back from TechGeeks.com with a product from my friends at BC Master. This is a USB Type-C to HDMI female adapter. It does support 4K resolution for Apple MacBook, 12-inch Nokia N1 Tablet, Google Chromebook Pixel, just to name a few devices. This model here is priced at $35.59 on Amazon.com. Of course, I will put a link to the product in the video description. As you can see down here, there's also a lot of other units they have available. So if this one that I own is not your taste or your needs, you can scroll through and find a lot of other products that are made by BC Master, excuse me. I can also click on their name right here, and that'll take you to their product page. I really like this one. I have a Google Pixel. I have a few phones that are also USB Type-C, so a lot of things are going to be switching to USB Type-C. But this just makes it a lot easier to use. You get a lot more options to use third-party peripherals, wireless keyboards. It has an HDMI port, so you can just connect straight to your TV or monitor, whatever you want to do. These are just very, very useful. And as far as Mac owners goes, there's never enough ports on any laptop, if you ask me. And this adds 4 more ports. So another thing I like about this is there's also right there, a PD port. So basically you can hook this up to your phone if that's what you're using through the USB-C, Type-C. And if your phone's going dead, you can plug into this PD port and still be able to charge your phone while you're still using the unit itself. So I really like that. It's pass-through charging. It's great to see somebody putting it on a product. I have more expensive units like this that don't offer that option, so I was really happy to see that. Another thing I love, no drivers required for setup. Supports hot swapping, plug and play. I really like that. That's another thing that's hard to find nowadays, it seems. Everything's I gotta download 10 different drivers and stuff like that. Drives me crazy. There you go. There's somebody getting ready to use the port that I was speaking of. There's an HDMI cable plugged in. Looks like you got a flash drive in one of the 4 USB ports on top, USB-A. Well, they're USB 3.0 actually. There's your port, so you can put in, if you need to put in a keyboard, peripheral, mouse, USB disk, an HD drive, whatever you need, you're pretty much covered on this guy. Supports Windows XP Vista 7, 8, 10, Mac OS 9.1 and above, Linux 3.0 and above. So once again, they pretty well have everybody covered. Basically, that's what you're going to get in the box, an owner's manual of the unit itself. Nothing special. There's the HDMI port being utilized, digital connector, teacher transmitting video, audio, and signals simultaneously. Really like that. Another thing I really liked is, let me scroll down a little bit, there is a 24-month limited warranty on this. Free lifetime technical support and 20 months warranty. Really, really love seeing companies stand by their product. I'm a huge fan of warranties. Obviously, I want to have the option. Maybe they return it if it's not what I needed, or I made a mistake ordering. You have that option. So really nice to see that also. SuperSpeed USB 3.0 ports, as I said, USB hub with 4 USB 3.0 ports. Data transferring up to 5 Gbps and download compatible with USB 2.0 and 1.1 specs. So pretty much cross compatible. Most of these are, though. That's not really a huge deal. The HDMI Video Adapter supports high resolution up to 4K, good companion for connecting HDMI enabled devices, which I used and it worked flawlessly. 4K LED display monitor. Also used that, worked perfect. I even used it on an old projector that didn't have HDMI, so this added HDMI to the old projector. Really like that. As far as safety goes, no additional power adapter needed. It is bus powered. Hot swapping plug and play, built-in surge protector, incorporated to safeguard your USB devices. Love seeing that. Overall, I had no problems using any of the ports. I never had any issues. I think I saw a few reviews that had issues. I did not have the issues he had. I'm sure that there are defective units at times. Happens to everybody. Happens to the best companies. Happens to the worst companies. So I personally had no problems. I used every port simultaneously. I had no keyboard lag as far as hooking up a wireless keyboard to this. I had no HDMI lag as far as transferring from my laptop to my TV. There was no lag. I mean, there's going to be a certain amount of lag. It's just you can't beat that. But there was nothing that was extraordinary, or like I have other brands of these that are a lot cheaper in quality, and sometimes you type a key and it doesn't come up for 2 seconds. But I had no problems with any of them issues. I thought it was a great product. I thought $35.59 was very reasonably priced. So I think everybody that has a USB Type-C device, especially people with MacBooks, things of that nature. Because Mac just completely eliminates USB ports. I don't know why, but this will get you out of a bind, I guarantee it. So check them out on Amazon.com. Link will be in the description. I'll give a little bit more of a hands-on demonstration, probably with a Motorola phone, and we'll show you exactly how everything works. That's going to start right now.
This is the box you're going to be getting in. It's pretty much standard box, USB-C to 4.4 port USB 3.0. Little recycled material, multi-connect and protect. The RHS, that's always good to see. There's a little bit more in there too, like email, things of that nature, but it's nice boxing. You can also get a warranty card, a little thank you, and there's also right there's 24-month warranty. Just fill it out, send it in, good to go. Now on to the good stuff. First off, I want to start off at the bottom of this. All your information still, but they got these nice 4 little feet, little rubber grommets, and they really hold really well. And second of all, I gotta apologize because my USB Type-C device is not here right now, so we're gonna make it through without it. You all know how it works. This end is what powers the unit. Basically, it's USB-C. So just grab your MacBook or whatever you use in your Google Pixel, plug in this in. You can have your phone sitting here next to you and plug in a mouse or keyboard into any one of these 4 USB 3.0 ports, or you can cast your device to your TV via the HDMI. And probably what I love the best is there's also a PD port. So basically, if your phone's running dead, you're using it with this. Grab your USB-C cord off your phone. I'm going to use this as an example. Just plug it in. You can charge your phone while you're connected to this, using the using any one of the 4 USB ports. I'll also show you the owner's manual. It's a little bit long, a little bit big. It's one of the ones that folds up like a map. But basically, you're going to get the product on there. Contact information, some warranty information. You can see the PD charging port right down here. Everything's listed there really nice and clear. The power output, rated input voltage 5 volts. You even got your packaging contents, features, which as far as features go, just having these extra ports on a MacBook is glorious. The only thing I didn't like is, if you can see there in the resolution, when you're using the HDMI, it's up to 2K. I'd like to see 4K, but it still works very well. So BC Master is new to me, so I'm very impressed so far with what I see, though. Trying to see if there's any other features that I really like, but it's basically nice just having an all-in-one. You know, you got your 4 ports, you got your HDMI, you got a power through, USB-C, Type-C, and everything's going to USB Type-C. Supposedly it's the future for everything, so I mean, even devices are using it, you know, from the Google Pixel to the new Motorola's have it also, a bunch of other phones, but I use this primarily for my MacBook, and it just makes life, like I said, a lot better. So I'll put a link in the description to the product page on Amazon. Also put a link to my website, which is techgeeks.com, and our social media buttons are there, so like and follow us, and if you could, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and that way you'll get email alerts whenever I post a new video. We do tons of giveaways, lots of product codes, so I announce them all through YouTube. In fact, we have a big giveaway coming up December 26th, I believe, through January something. Not sure the exact date, so subscribe and then you can find out when I find out. But if you're looking for a great, inexpensive all-in-one Type-C device with 4 ports of USB 3.0, this is your guy. Stays planted right on your desk. Tons of safety regulations built in. USB Type-C, HDMI, also an PD port. I just really thoroughly impressed with BC Master. Their customer service is great too, because they've been waiting on me to post my review, but I've been waiting to get a MacBook fixed and it still is not fixed, so I apologize for that. Apologize to them. Check them out on Amazon.com, follow the links, and I'll see you guys on the next one.